I'm kind of confused. Yeah, that's right, I am. I'm a little confused of exactly what's going on with Earth.
I'm terribly sorry, but I have chosen 4 videos today. All of them is from CC. So, without any more warnings, let's continue the first video. The one where CC is a bit confused about Earth. How storms come in. Come in where? Into your car? Your kitchen? Into your brain? What do you mean, CC?
So, actually a quick question. I'm kind of confused. Yeah, that's right, I am. I'm a little confused of exactly what's going on with Earth and how storms come in.
You did forget an important thing. You did forget the atmosphere. The clouds is in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is rotating together with Earth. And that you don't understand how weather are predicted. Will you claim that this is some kind of proof for your silly flat Earth? Oh dear. Let's continue.
Okay. You see, what is moving? Is it the clouds that are moving at 1,000 miles per hour, or is it Earth that's moving 1,000 miles per hour? Because I was told that Earth is moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Yeah, that's right. Which means the clouds have to be moving 1,044 miles per hour. I don't see how that's possible. And how could you predict a storm that's going that fast with Earth going that fast and spinning? I don't understand how the meteorologist works this. I really don't. That doesn't make any sense to me. I'm a little confused, okay? Because when a storm comes from California and it goes across the U.S. into New York, that's 3,000 miles, okay? Yeah, that's right. It's about 3,000 miles. Change. Whatever. And it takes 4 or 5 days to traverse right across the country. Shouldn't that storm be in maybe somewhere like Brazil? Somewhere over there? I'm a little confused. Do you see?
Yes, you are confused. Why would the storm be in Brazil? Do CC think that the rotation is north-south or south-north? I don't understand what you are talking about. Oh dear.
Do you see the weatherman's telling me that a storm's coming in 3 days before when it's all the way over in Nevada, okay? And he knows it's going to hit straight into New York. That makes no fucking sense at all to me. And if it makes sense to you, well then you're done. Finished. If you don't merely just look at the weather itself and say to yourself, how the fuck is this possible? It's not. Because we're not moving, we're stationary, and that's why we're able to predict fucking storms. That's it. Bottom line. That's all.
So CC believes that weather forecasts proves flat Earth. I can't stand more of this stupidity. Let's have a look at a video about something completely different. Let's hear a bit more from CC.
I love these cherry tomatoes.
For once, a statement from CC that I can agree with.
These are from my garden. So, and this is the shit crap and you get from the supermarket, all shriveled up, garbage. So yeah, garbage. I won the tomato wars.
Did he say tomato wars? Let's listen to that one once more.
I won the tomato wars. Let's just see. Okay. We got one tomato plant. We got... This one isn't doing much right here. This is a pumpkin plant. We're just getting flowers out of it.
So now we have seen one of Cece's tomato plants. Let's fast forward to the end of the video where I think we will see the normal Cece.
Don't understand. A quarter of our oceans have not been explored. Okay? And meanwhile, everybody thinks we're in fucking space. It's sad, guys. Really is. Really is sad. Well, what are you gonna do? People have to wake the fuck up. And if they don't, they're lost.
So because we haven't explored all of the seas, we can't explore space, or what is he meaning? Is the lack of information of every bit of the sea floor proof that space don't exist, or? Let's move on to the next video.
I love it. Hey, brain dead. How are you? I like to call people brain dead when they can't think for them fucking selves. That's right. Yes, that's right. I love it because people can't think for themselves at all. I call them NPCs. I call them zombies. I'll call them whatever the fuck I want, but they can't think for themselves. The obvious bullshit that's out there. Let's take, for example, okay, the Earth. That's right. Everybody thinks we live on a spinning wet ball, but we don't, unfortunately. But the Earth. We've only explored 5% of our oceans. 5%, guys. That's 5%. 5% of 100%.
5% of 100%. And CC is calling us stupid. Let's move on to the next video.
You see, this proves that the sun is local. Okay?
No, the rainbow don't prove that the sun is local.
You have your own sun.
So all people have their own sun. Oh dear. This is too stupid.
I love the double rainbow effect. I haven't seen a triple one. I don't think that's possible, but the double.
CC haven't seen a triple rainbow, so it's not possible. He don't believe it. I've seen it, and you can find images of it, but of course, CC haven't seen it, then it don't exist.
This kind of sums it up, but nice. Perfect. There's your dome.
If that's the dome must be very, very small and don't cover the whole world.
What do you think you're looking at? An accident? You can't recreate this. There's no way of recreating a rainbow anywhere.
Spray some water in sunshine and you will create a small rainbow.
God created this.
No, God did not create the rainbow.
Sorry, guys. You live under a dome. This is how it is.
Cici, we don't live under a dome. That's pure fantasies. Today I did get a message from Ukraine, from the soldiers using the drones. I've sent new ones last week and they have arrived and they are in use by the front. Thank everyone helping me, helping Ukraine, so we can send drones to Ukraine. That was all for this time. Hope you couldn't stand 4 videos from CC. I will be back soon. So, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.